Today I'm going to show you how to take the bands off of an Apple Watch. Right here is my Apple Watch. These bands are connected to it and I want to take them off in order to put some new ones on. So I'm going to show you how to take them off and how to put them on. So right here is the Apple Watch, and what I want to do first is go ahead and turn the Apple Watch upside down like this. Alright, so you have the Apple Watch upside down. And if you come in closely, you'll see that there's buttons on either side of the watch located near where the bands are. And what these buttons are, they actually keep the bands in place, locked in place, so it doesn't slip off and you perhaps lose your Apple Watch. Now what I'm going to do is to remove them, I'm going to come up to these, and you have to press these buttons in on in order to get the bands off. Now if you have a little bit of fingernail, I have a little bit of fingernail going on right here, you can actually try to press this down and it will actually go down. If not, sometimes I would use perhaps a end of a ballpoint pen and press it down, and that does the job too without scratching it. Okay, because if you use something else like a sharp instrument such as a knife or a pair of scissors, you might come into a situation where you actually scratch the bottom of the watch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and press this down, and then I'm able to slide the band out of place and get it off. And you see that? Took it out of place, pressing that. And then I'm going to take this one off too by doing the same process. Pressing this down, sliding it out. So now I have a watch without a band. Alright? So now I have a watch without a band. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and put this back into place. I'm going to simply take this and slide it back in place right here. I'm going to press the band. Now getting them on for some reason has not exactly been. Alright, so I got that back in place, slid it on. I'm going to do this one as well. Slide it, locks into place. And what you want to do is, once it's back into place, wiggle it a little bit and to make sure it's secure. And that's how you take off the bands and put them back into place on an Apple Watch. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. No pun intended.